In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant on Gusto. If you want to give your accountant access to help manage payroll or related tasks in Gusto, the process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to click and what each part means. To begin, sign into your Gusto account. Make sure you're logged into the correct company account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one business. Once you're in, go to the People section. This is where Gusto organizes team members and other users connected to your organization. Inside that area, click on the Collaborators tab. This tab is specifically for people outside your regular employee list, such as accountants and other partners who may need access to assist with business operations. Next, click Add a Collaborator. Gusto will open a form where you can enter the accountant's details. Fill in their first name, last name, and email address carefully. Since the invitation will be sent by email, it's important to double-check that the address is correct before you continue. You may also see the option to add a personal note. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to include a short message explaining why you're inviting them or what you'd like them to review once they log in. After that, look for the Relationship to your organization section and select Accountant. This helps Gusto categorize the collaborator correctly and may affect the options you see next. You'll then be asked to choose the services the accountant will provide. Select the services that match the work they'll be helping with. Take a moment here to choose carefully so their access aligns with their role. Next, choose an access level. You'll typically see options such as Limited Admin or Global Admin. Limited admin access is useful if you want to give them permission for specific tasks while keeping tighter control over your account. Global admin provides broader access, so this option should only be used if the accountant needs full administrative visibility and control. Choose the level that best fits your organization's needs. When everything looks correct, click Save Collaborator. At that point, Gusto will send an invitation email to the accountant. They'll receive the invitation in their inbox and can follow the prompts to accept it. Once the invitation is accepted, the accountant will gain access to your Gusto account based on the permissions you assigned. If needed, you can always review collaborator settings later to confirm the access level and services selected. Thanks for watching.